Hello, this is Dave from Dimensional Consulting. Today's video will discuss what a pattern is. The ASME Y145 2018 standard says that a pattern is two or more features to which a position or profile geometric tolerance is applied and that are grouped by one of the following methods: NX, N coaxial holes, all around, all over, between A and B, from A to B, and surfaces, simultaneous requirements, or indicated, where n in these examples represents a number. A pattern means that the geometric tolerance applies to all of those features simultaneously. Think of it this way: the features in a pattern must be gauged on the same gauge at the same time. Here we see an example of NX 6 times, and an example of indicated, and an example of coaxial. Here we see the pattern indications that apply with profile tolerance. The all over symbol makes a pattern from all of the surfaces on the part. The all around symbol makes a pattern of the surfaces of a closed shape in a single view. The between symbol makes a pattern of all of the surfaces between 2 points. Without any indication of a pattern, profile tolerance applies to a single surface, from tangent point to tangent point. Here we see two such surfaces combined into a pattern by the two surfaces note. Here we see a simultaneous requirement. Recall that 2 slides ago we said that a pattern means that the features in the pattern must be gauged on the same gauge at the same time. The gauge is defined by the feature control frame. Specifically, the datum references define a datum reference frame, and that defines the gauge. In a simultaneous requirement, the datum references in the feature control frame are identical, and therefore they define the same gauge. Thus, all of the feature control frames with identical datum references, including the modifiers, define the same gauge and must be gauged on that same gauge at the same time. That's today's video. If you want to see more tips like this, please subscribe. Also, check out the link below to my definitions playlist. If there are specific definitions or other GD&T issues you would like me to cover, please let me know in the comments. And visit my website at dimensionalconsulting.com.